Hi guys, today we talk about the project Dragon Race. This is official website. This project links to play game, buy dragons, links to KYC, SAFU, audit and other information. Dragon Race, collect, train and race your dragons. In the immersive metaverse of Dragon Race you can hatch, train and race your dragons to earn unlimited returns in one of the most daily race tracks in meta. Trade on PKC, KYC security and SAFU certification. 100 million total supply, 20% P2E game rewards, Dragon price on CoinMarketCap, Twitter followers 12,000, Telegram members 24,000. What is Dragon Race? The future is now. Dragon Race is a play-to-earn PvP mythical creature racing game set in the metaverse. Playing have the change of referral Dragon Edge, which hatch into novel mythical dragon. These mythical creatures are free to partake in the race and acquire prize. Players can also generate value by renting their own dragons or displaying them. This is token address, contract checker. Ultra Race collectible. All dragons are from 3D NFT with an extra attention to detailing in their craft and design of their heritage. Dragon betting. Dragon Race is a popular NFT game that is a dragon betting system that ensures fairness, transparency, speed and security during dragon renting. Choose users who are active in the protocol can also participate in the racing by renting dragons from top resale and hiring them racing in different tracks. The combination of metaverse. Unpacking the dragons, each dragons will be different in attributes and overall appearance. A player can modify a dragon of same type into multiple derivative dragons just by hatching the new base dragon for each modified dragon. How to buy Dragon Race. Get a crypto wallet. Create a wallet to safely store digital assets like cryptocurrencies and NFT. You need BNB, your MetaMask wallet to buy Dragon Race coin. First sign your digital wallet with the Dragon Race. After they get some BNB. Lastly, convert your BNB into Dragon Race. Challenge bigger winning price in the games. Talk economics. This project. 31% for pre-sale, 18% for liquidity, for the 5% for the tournaments, 7% for marketing and development, 20% for P2E game, 10% for staking, 3% for strategic partnership, and 5% for the advisory, partnership and integration. The next information: mobile app coming soon to Google Play and App Store. Roadmap this project. What people are saying. Ask anything. And social link to Medium, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, GitHub, Instagram and Reddit. Good luck.